So we know, the industry has had lots of challenges over the years dealing with low quality data coming from human tasting panels, because humans provide very subjective responses. And what we are using instead is the core biology of the human nose and tongue to be able to provide better insights and measurements into how consumers interact with different tastes, flavors, and scents in the products that they deal with every day. In the way that people were describing colors, 100 years ago, and only, the question of always, how do you tease apart a rainbow, and can you actually ensure that you as a different viewer are seeing the same colors that I am? And there was always this question of, is this perception really unique and quantifiable, or is it all completely individualized and we all just sort of agree on a common language? And it turns out, once we understood how the human eye works and how the receptors in the eyes pick up particular colors and how the brain then translates those receptors, we're able to come up with universal codes, and now we can create numerical quantification of every single color. We can email those color codes to someone on the other side of the world, and we can ensure they're actually seeing and perceiving the same colors that we as the designer want them to see. And this is, again, this is a solved problem for colors and vision and video. This is a solved problem for sound and audio and music, but it's very hard to understand for taste and flavor, and has been for many years. So this is the core challenge that we are trying to solve by providing that quantitative insight into how people interact with taste and flavor, and how that interactions are then translated into preference and consumer choice.